Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market. Today, we have something exciting for you. The Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt. The ultimate car wash kit that's making waves in the automotive world. Stick around because we're about to dive deep into why this is the best car wash kit out there. Now, let's get right into it. The Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt is a game-changer when it comes to cleaning your vehicle. It's a complete all-in-one kit that will save you time and money compared to those trips to the commercial car wash. First, let's talk about what you get in the package. You'll receive the Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun, and that's not all. They've included a high-quality microfiber wash mitt. So, you're ready to start cleaning right out of the box. Now, let's dive into what makes this product stand out from the rest. The Swift Jet Foam Gun features an adjustable soap foam concentration. It mixes water from your garden hose with a soap solution to create the perfect thick car wash foam. No more guesswork, it's all taken care of. Another fantastic feature is the 6 foam spray settings and a rinse spray. These settings allow you to adapt to your specific cleaning needs, whether you're dealing with stubborn dirt or just giving your car a routine wash. It's like having a professional car wash right at home. And here's the best part. This foam gun is not just for cars. It's perfect for all vehicles, including trucks, motorcycles, boats, and even outdoor furniture. You can adjust the water pressure and foam ratio settings, making it a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. Connecting the Swift Jet Foam Gun to your garden hose is a breeze. It comes with a 3/8-inch brass connector that ensures a secure fit, and you can blast away grime without worrying about scratching your car. Plus, the ergonomic handle and anti-skid body make for a comfortable cleaning experience. Swift Jet takes pride in its products, and it shows. The foam gun is built to last with high-quality materials, including machined brass fittings that will never corrode. And they back it up with a promise. If you have any issues, they're there to make it right. But don't just take our word for it. Check out the glowing reviews from satisfied customers who have experienced the Swift Jet difference. Easy assembly, ease of use, durability, and great value for money. It's all there. Now, let's not forget about the microfiber wash mitt. It's an excellent addition to the kit. The soft, plush fibers are gentle on your car's paintwork, yet highly effective at lifting dirt and grime. It fits comfortably on your hand, and the elastic cuff ensures a secure fit during washing. One of the standout features of this Swift Jet combo is how it saves you time and water. The efficient foam distribution and the wash mitt's ability to trap dirt reduce the need for excessive rinsing and reapplication of soap. That means you can complete a thorough car wash in less time while conserving water. And let's not forget the Swift Jet commitment to customer satisfaction. They value their customers and stand behind their products. It's always reassuring to know that you're dealing with a company that cares. So, in conclusion, the Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt is the best car wash kit available on the market today. It's a complete package that's versatile, efficient, and built to last. Say goodbye to expensive trips to the car wash and hello to professional-grade results right in your driveway. If you're a car enthusiast like us, you owe it to yourself to give the Swift Jet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt a try. We've provided a link in the description below where you can find more information and get your hands on this fantastic product. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and happy car washing!